Friendos, welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time here, hello, my name is Laurel. I'm not a pro makeup artist, I'm just an owner of a really noisy little cat, and also a weirdo that likes to collect and experiment with really nice makeup. Now in today's video, we have a fantastic day ahead of us. We're going to be unboxing my Allure Beauty Box. Ooh. This just came in the mail. I have no idea what's inside. We're gonna find out together. You guys, just stay tuned. So friendos, let's open her up. So it looks like we might have a dud this time. A dud! Let's get started. So the first largest bottle is from Ahava. It is a Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. This is a total dud for me. I am not someone who uses hand cream. Alexei, do you want to be in the video? So this particular hand cream is $36 retail, and the box itself cost me $23 a month. It used to be cheaper. It used to be like $15 a month, and then they recently did a price hike. All right, you gonna go be good? Next up, I have La Roche Posay Anthelios Melt in Milk Sunscreen. This is a SPF 60 body and face broad spectrum. I feel like I already have this. I feel like I've gotten this before. Maybe not in this box, but maybe in something that someone else gave me. I'm not gonna knock it, but I'm not like thrilled either. I have been spending a lot of time outside in my garden, so hopefully I can use this. Remember to use this. Moving on. All right, so we have Verb Ghost Oil Smoothing Moringa Blend Weightless Hair Oil. I'm actually really excited for this. I really like the way these products smell. Let's see. I hope this one has a scent. It does. This has a really nice water flower scent. Like I want to say it's maybe kind of smells like water lily or maybe lotus. And you guys know I bleached my hair to oblivion, so I've had a lot of tangling. I can't wait to try this out in my hair. So that one is a winner for me. Next up, all right, this is called Latin Us Beauty. I think that's how you pronounce it. It is Impossible Keratin for hard to manage curly, thick or thin, frizzy hair. Control Conditioner. It's got Muru Take two. Muru butter. Originally from the Amazon, this rare seed locks moisture and softens hair for game-changing manageability and control. The only other items I've had that has that kind of oil in it has been extremely heavy, so I've got my doubts about this one, but let's just see what the consistency is like. Okay, this smells like a really badly done coconut. It smells like an old lady's hand cream blended with a very cheap imitation coconut oil. I'm not feeling this. Next up, we have Pyongkang Yul Essence Toner. It looks like this is in Korean. I love Korean skincare, so hopefully this is good. Let's give it a whiff. This normally retails for $19. This has literally no smell. It did feel nice and moisturizing on my wrist though. I'll give it that. Will I try this out? Yes. Am I super excited to have this in my box? Not really. Next up, we have Avant Hydrolyzed Collagen Intense Radiance Activator Serum. Apparently, this normally costs $125. This says hydrolyzed collagen, lecithin, erythritol, retinol, ribonucleic. Sorry, it's kind of hard to read, just so you guys don't think that I'm slipping into senility. Some days I feel like an old lady, and today is one of those days, so maybe. Oh, this smells like luxury, you guys. There's definitely some form of tea in here, I would say. That's what it smells like. It doesn't actually mention what the scent is, at least not on this bottle, so going to move on. And lastly, I got Apto Skincare Orange Blossom Lip Balm with Coconut Oil. This is $5 whole at Target. Wow, this really makes my box seem worth it. I'm just gonna go ahead and try this out, unless it's made in China, and if not, I'm just gonna throw it across the room. Made in our factory in New Jersey, USA. It's safe. So I know that this said orange blossom. No, this is definitely an orange creamsicle. But I like orange creamsicle, so I'm not complaining. This feels pretty good. So overall, I can sum this box up in one word: mediocre. And if you are curious about the Allure Beauty Box overall in my experience, I would say for the last year, it's been very heavily skincare dominant and not so much on the makeup. Now, normally I don't mind because I do like luxury skincare, so it's not that that big of a deal when I get a mediocre box, but I do feel like they're coming more and more often. Last month's was pretty good. Before that, they were forgettable, like absolutely forgettable, and that's probably the worst thing ever. And they say the only thing worse than a bad first impression is making no impression whatsoever, and I don't even remember what I got in those boxes. So, is Allure Box right for you? Only you can decide that, and only you can prevent forest fires. Thank you all so much for choosing to spend your time here with me today. I greatly appreciate it. Oh, also, if you guys like the look that I've got on today, I know it's a little wacky and weird. This will be, if it's not up already, this will be in my 2 looks 1 palette for Banana Fetish. And I wish you all a fantastic rest of your day. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed it, or if you just pity me, or if you like Alexei and you want to see more of him. If you like this little fluff ball, if you want to see more of him, whittle him, you'll want to subscribe for sure. And should you choose not to subscribe, well then, friendo, we'll both have to live in the sorrow of never knowing what could have been. All right, guys, have a fantastic day. Bye.